Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best freelancing website. Here you can work as a freelancer and make hundreds of dollars and create jobs as clients. If you want to know more about this website, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is GOLANCE.com? GOLANCE is an online workforce stage that interfaces businesses with specialists based everywhere on the globe. Situated in Delaware, US, GOLANCE has been doing business since 2015. Their central goal is to improve life for all online specialists with an adaptable, reasonable, proficient, and straightforward virtual working environment. If you want to join GOLANCE, at the link in the description box. How does it function? For clients: 1. Post a job. Post a vocation on GOLANCE for your undertaking. Furthermore, you will be furnished with a rundown of suggested consultants who coordinate your necessities. 2. Invite freelancers to apply. GOLANCE consistently gives a rundown of equipped consultants, so have confidence you will find numerous applicants who coordinate your necessities. Now, you can either welcome a portion of these people, or kick back and let them come to you. The decision is yours. 3. Set milestones or recruit continuously. When the venture has initiated, you will have the chance to screen the advancement of your undertaking with the assistance of achievements, or set an hourly rate. For freelancer: 1. Build your profile. Dazzle customers by finishing tests, transferring portfolio things, and filling out your GOLANCE profile with past professional training. 2. Apply for jobs. Search through our rundown of accessible bids for employment for ventures that fit your abilities. Also, remuneration necessities. 3. Start working. At the point when the customer decides. On the off chance that you are ideal for the activity, you can get recruited and begin working. 4. Get paid. You can get paid week after week for hourly agreements or upon fulfillment of every achievement. For fixed value contracts, get paid even faster with payday advance. Get a loan when you need it before the fulfillment of your present task. Need cash when there's no other option. When endorsed, hourly GOLANCers approach moment money in any event during the audit time frame. We trust you ought to have your cash the second you need it. So we've made a framework where you can sidestep the audit time frame and get your cash out at whatever point you need for a little expense. You have numerous choice of get your installment, for example: 1. Local exchange. 2. Wire exchange. 3. Payoneer pre-loaded card. 4. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you want to create an account, link in the description box. I hope you're enjoying the videos and start from today, because that is a good platform for work as a freelancer, and if you work as a client, you give your work to other people. That's interesting. So please subscribe to the channel and share the videos so I get inspiration for creating a new video. Good luck.